What's up, guys? This is the Wolf with a new video, and on this video gonna be looking at NAS 100. You know what's up, man. Can you just head to your highest time frame, clear all the drawings. You know what we do, man? Like always, we go to high time frame, maybe daily or even weekly, all right, to get the whole picture what's popping in the market. Never wasting time, man. So okay, what are we seeing here? Okay, like I've been saying, we are looking for that change of direction. We are looking to continue for an up structure, but currently with what we are seeing here, things may not be as smooth as we want them to be, because what am I seeing now is that we're still not on the safe side. If you look at the market and you look at the levels, we're still not on the safe side, all right? Because remember what we use the no-brainer strategy, meaning like we cut the structure into half and then replicate what the structure has done in the left-hand side, and then we replicate it on the right-hand side. So according to what am I seeing here, the market is not safe yet to say that, oh, we're gonna be buying and creating that new high we are looking for. So for now, we're just gonna stick with this berry structure because we are seeing it. So let's put those lines up. Okay, so this is the structure that we have. Okay, I think yeah, this is the structure that we have now. So as you look at this structure, the market has been like we are still on this downtrend. All right, so overall I did say that on the previous videos that okay, somewhere here is a trend. All right, so the market is the only, like, the market can only confirm that. I can't confirm it just yet. The market is gotta confirm it, because remember, according to the trend line trading strategy, what we do is that the first two peaks are for the drawings, and then the third one is for execution. So right now what we are seeing is that okay, this is what the market has done. We have this uptrend, which we have two touches. So meaning our third touch, which is gonna occur sometime, we don't know when, maybe this coming week or when. Then from there we're just gonna take it from there and then buy and then hold the market until forever. But always, like, we have levels and the market always respects levels. So what might happen is, it's what I said to the previous video, that it might happen. Like I did say that the market might give us a double bottom structure or even a triple bottom, right? And then from there it breaks, comes back to retest, and then the basic structure, like it might give us something like this, because that's what that's what I'm seeing right now. All right, and you see I'm on weekly time frame, so meaning this might take a lot of time, like, to complete. So meaning we might still be under this decline, I don't know, until next year, mid next year there, like, it's only prediction. So for this coming week, let's just check what might happen to the market. All right, because you're still under this decline and it was a beautiful structure. If you look at this structure, it's almost the same as this overall structure, like from here and here. And that's why, like, what I do, guys, we replicate what happened on this side at this side. All right, so daily time frame, let's check what do we see. Okay, so we have our levels up, and then you're not really seeing much. So the market's gonna tell us what's popping. All right, because we have this double bottom here, and then what happened? The market went back to complete this structure. All right, it began here, it ended here. So, and also the market is doing what? Is respecting levels. You see, like it's respecting trends and levels and everything. So from here, the market's gonna give us direction of where it is going. What we are looking for the market to do is to go up. But it's the market that's going to give us direction, because remember, we're still under this decline. We have first touch, second touch, maybe third or even fourth day, fifth, sixth. All right, so what the market might do is to come back, touch this trend line, or even break it, and then we shoot. All right, that's what might happen, like I said, on the weekly time frame. So yeah, I'm still seeing the same thing. Like, I'm not seeing any drama. Like, I'm still seeing the same thing. All right, so let's head to 4 hour and see what's popping. All right, so obviously this whole trend is like our bigger trend, so we have to see those smaller inner trends, all right, so that we can have a shorter period structure for what the market might be doing in a shorter period. All right, so let's see if we find some trends here. All right, so yeah, for now I'm not seeing much, guys. You see, structure began somewhere here, yeah, it began here, and then it ended right here. So now what we are waiting for the market to do is that to give us direction, to give us a structure, and then we're gonna replicate it. All right, guys, remember the no-brainer strategy. It's that simple. You take the structure from here where it began. All right, so obviously if you need more like more insight into a strategy, you have to hit my inbox. There are numbers under this channel, find them and then text me on WhatsApp. All right, so but this is what happens. You just replicate this, replicate it on the left, on your right hand side. Like, the market's gonna give you exactly that, and that's what's happening here. Look, from at this point the market went up without looking back, without coming back to retest this level. All right, and then what did he do? He went up, and then from there, what did the market do? It came down straight without like going back to retest this level. It just came back down and then touched this level. After touching this level, what did he do? It is then started acting up. All right, so that's how the no-brainer strategy works. You look for where the market started and went up without like without coming back to retest the level. Yeah, you could say maybe it started there, but no, it's because this one is more clear. Like, just look, like, it's almost identical. You know, like, the market can never be 100% like as we want to be, like, cannot be as we like how we visualize it to be. But if you look at this, there are some similarities here. There are level similarities. Like, we have a level here, and then it decides. It's almost kind of the same thing. All right, market went, and then at the top it gave us something like it could be something like a head and shoulder, head, left peak, right peak. All right, so it's kind of something like that. All right, where it began, it's gonna end there. That's how the no-brainer strategy works. So from now, we're just gonna wait for the market to give us a structure. All right, if it goes down, it might give us like something like an inverse head and shoulder. Like, we don't know. We're just gonna wait for it to see what's popping. All right, and then we're gonna respond according to what the market gives us. Like I always say, we never dictate the market. All we do is to respond according to what the market gives us. All right, so let's head to 1 hour and see what's popping. Yeah, still like I'm not seeing much, like, really. Like, even if I could try to, try to force a trend here, like, I still not seeing much, really. All we have to do is to wait for the market to complete, and then so that we can have a clearer picture of what's popping. All right, yeah, all we have to do is to wait and wait. But according to what I see, the market, like, still gonna continue going to the downside. All right, so let me look here. So we still have too many levels, like, to conquer before we can be on the safe side for the upwards movement. So yeah, the market's gonna continue going to the downside because it's still under this decline. So from here, what the market's gonna be doing is obviously has to touch. Even if it breaks, it can even fade, and then all right, like, we're just gonna wait and see. Like, it's not gonna be easy for the market to break to the upside. So also for this coming week, it seems like it's gonna be a bearish market, all right, on NASDAQ. So be on the lookout for bearish market, but always, like, be on the lookout for also those small upwards movements. All right, so I think I'm gonna cut it here, guys, because I'm not really seeing much happening here. So what's gonna happen is that the market, yeah, still under this decline. All right, so I'm just gonna wait for it and see what's popping, and then yeah.